Good afternoon, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything, and it's 2-minute tip time. It is not time for us to start on our fall garden yet, so in between then, I'm going to be doing some more cooking videos and some 2-minute tips, and this is the one I want to show you today. May last 2 minutes, may not. Let's see. We are making hand sanitizer. I know that you can probably get the hand sanitizers now. I'm not really seeing a shortage around the stores in my area, but you cannot leave it in your car. So what me and my husband have been doing is using Everclear. Yes, Everclear. And if you look, it's 95% alcohol by volume. Rubbing alcohol is 50 to 70%. So I also have my little coin tissues. This is what we're going to use. You can use paper towels instead. And let me just show you what we do. I'm going to put the coin towels in the Ziploc bag, and I'm going to pour the Everclear over it. Have my little coin tissues in here, and I'm going to saturate them. Now, we've been doing this, my husband and I, for the last 4 months since all this mess started. And we do keep this in the truck, so whenever one of us gets out, we just, when we get back in the truck, we pull these out and use it to sanitize our hands. So you can see here, this is what it looks like. These little coin towels start to expand and they absorb the alcohol, and we have our own hand sanitizer here. That's the wrap, guys. Stay tuned for more 2-minute tips. Take care. God bless. Have a great weekend. Bye.